Hello, beautiful soul. Tonight, we take a journey beyond the veil to meet the presence of a spirit guide, a loving being who has been walking beside you. So close your eyes now and take a deep breath. And as you exhale, feel yourself dropping inward. Into stillness, into trust. Breathe in once more and exhale slowly. You are safe and gently held by the light. Allow your body to soften. Release all tension from your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders, all the way down to your fingertips. And the soles of your feet. Feel your energy gently grounding into the earth. And above you, a soft golden light begins to glow. It pours over your crown, down your spine, and into your heart. This is divine light, the bridge between you and your spirit team. And now, imagine you are standing in a quiet, beautiful place in nature. A sanctuary just for you. You may feel grass under your feet or see ancient stones around you. Or hear gentle water flowing nearby. And ahead of you is a doorway of shimmering light. You walk toward it. Slowly, this is the gateway to your spirit guide. And you can whisper, "I am ready to meet my guide. Thank you for showing yourself to me now." You walk through the doorway. Into a luminous realm beyond time. You find yourself in a sacred space, bathed in soft light, glowing all around you. You sense presence, warm, gentle, deeply familiar, and a being begins to appear before you. They may come in the form of a person, an animal, a light, or even a sound or color. However they arrive, you feel their love wrapping around you like a soft blanket. Take a moment to be with them. And now, if you wish, you may ask, "What is your name? How are you helping me in this life?" Is there anything I need to know right now? Receive whatever comes. Words, images, feelings, or silence. Trust what you feel. Your heart understands. Your guide now offers you a gift. It may be a symbol, a word, a color. This is a sign you can carry back with you, a reminder that they are always near. And you thank them and feel their presence gently retreat. Yet their love remains woven into your spirit. You turn and walk back towards the doorway of light, crossing back into the sacred nature space. Back into your body. Back into the present moment. Take a deep breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Begin to feel the room around you. The support beneath your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes gently. You are back, but never alone. Your spirit guide walks beside you in every breath, in every step. Call upon them whenever you feel lost. They will always answer. Thank you for journeying inward with me tonight. If this meditation brought you peace and answers, I invite you to like, leave a comment, or follow this channel to support the journey. You can also share this meditation with someone who may need it tonight. Until next time, stay grounded, stay open, and stay in your light.